Let me get your name real fast.
Jeff Quinlan.
Jeff. And how do you spell Jeff? Is it with
J-E-F-F.
Okay, I want to make sure. Last name?
Quinlan.
Spell that for me?
Q-U-I-N-L-A-N.
You're as about as geared up as you can be.
I mean, it's not the snow, it's the wind. I mean, the wind is just, the wind's crazy here. And, you know, combined with the cold temperatures and the precipitation, it's creating a mess. So, it is what it is. Like, it's a beautiful place to live, except when these storms come in.
So it's like one of those 360 days a year, it's great?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, you know, the winters are kind of harsh, but 8 months a year, it's absolutely beautiful living here, and you know, sometimes these are the things we put up with.
What has this done? Have you guys got your power knocked out, or?
Yeah, the power went out around 7:15, so we have a generator that's running on the side yard, and I'm going to go need to find a gas station open in a few hours.
What did you got your gear on? You just wanted to go see what the waves are doing, or what was the?
Yeah, I just wanted to just check it out. I mean, I was just out kind of checking around here, looking for any damage, and I said, you know, it's like 100 paces, so why not check out the ocean? It's, you know, it's mid-tide right now, so it's not washing up over the wall or anything like that. So,
how does this compare from what you've seen in the past?
There's been some really awful ones here before, but this one is, you know, combined with really cold weather, as you see, and snow. Where back in 18, it was much more. It was different. It was wetter. You know, this one's just very, very windy.
Yeah.
The wind is relentless here.
Yeah, I've seen it. I mean, this is blizzard. This is definitely a blizzard.
Yeah, I don't know if they got the official, you know, NWS classification yet, but it's pretty close. I mean, it feels like it's blowing 60 to 70 right now.
That's
so,
crazy. That's
yeah.
crazy. Thank you so much, man. I
You're
really
welcome.
appreciate it, Jeff.